I am Kalai Selvi, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, RMT Engineering College. The subject code is 22CS102 Software Development Practices Integrated with Laboratory, first semester, common to all departments, Unit 1. The technical support is given by IMNU team. Now we are going to discuss about Agile software development life cycle. So Agile is one of the software development life cycles available. So the Agile team are ready to accept the change at any time in the during the development of project. So some of the software development under Agile are Scrum, Crystal, Dynamic Software Development Method, Feature Driven Development, Lean Software Development, Extreme Programming. Agile Manifesto. The word manifesto means policy. So some of the agile policies which are following by the companies are: first, individual and interactions over processes and tools. All the stakeholders involved in the project will interact among them and decide what are the tools are required for the development of the project and what type of software processes will be undergone in this. Next is that a comprehensive documentation of whatever the stages they are covering and what are the flaws they are facing and how they are rectifying from that, all will be documented, and customer will at each phases and at each iteration customer will be collaborated among the stakeholders and to check whether all the requirements has been satisfied. And next, what any change was given by the customer, the agile team are ready to accept the change and they are ready to implement it in the project. Principles of agile. The major principle followed by the agile teams are: first is customer satisfaction. So the main aim of agile team is to satisfy the customer's requirements, and they will welcome the change given by the customer at any stage of the development, even in the late development phase. Next, delivering the working software frequently. Frequently in sense, all the phases in the software development cycle will be done in iterative manner. So at each iteration, some software increments will be delivered. So the time period of each iteration will be few weeks or months. So at each iteration, some software modules will be delivered, which will be in the working condition. Business people and developers must work together during the entire life of a project development phase. There will be a face-to-face conversation between the scrum master, who's the person who's leading the team, and the development team, and the customer, so that the any requirement change or anything within the development team or any change with the project descriptions, all will be rectified. So the measure of the project so the measure of the development of the project can be calculated by the working software which are delivered at each increments. The main aim of agile development is sustainable development. So all the businesses and the users should be able to maintain a constant phase with the project. There will be a regular attention to the technical excellence and good design to maximize agility. So keeping these things very simple so all can interact and do the work completely. The agile team will be organized among themselves so they won't depend on other teams for best architectures, requirements, designs emerge from self-organized teams. the work which they have done or reviewed at regular intervals so the team can reflect how